Hello everyone, welcome back to Cuckoo's Corner. Tonight I'd like to read to you from a book called Bedtime for Yeti. This book was written by Vogel. Yetis and their stuffed friends stick together like peanut butter and jelly. They share everything. They always have each other's back. How cute. And they make a super team. After playing all day, Yeti and his friend get ready for bed together. They can't wait to snuggle under the covers. But wait, when his friend is suddenly nowhere to be found, what do you think happened? Let's find out. Yeti will not give up until he's searched everywhere. So he will look and look and look some more. And if he still can't find his friend, Yeti will have to go to bed alone. The thing about Yetis is that sometimes they're afraid of the dark. That's because sometimes bedrooms are filled with strange shadows. And mysterious sounds from under the bed. When this happens, Yeti misses his friend a lot, especially when it's stormy outside. So he hides under the covers, hugs his pillow really tight, and sings songs to block out the noises. But when, in a flash, Yeti finally sees his best friend all alone and surrounded by danger. Yeti feels something snap inside of him. He gathers his courage and stands tall to face his biggest fears. After all, Yetis may be little, but they can still be heroes. These pages are really sticking on me. Yeti style. Roar. He saved his friend. Kaboom. Of course, even the bravest hero needs a snuggle from his sidekick. That's the end. Thanks for joining us at Cuckoo's Corner. Come back next time and make sure to like and subscribe for more videos.